warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hikam Dilshad. I am 7 years old. I am here to sing an Islamic song. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Akhir. These are the months in Islam. Jamadul Awwal, Jamadul Akhir, Rajab and Sha'ban. Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan and Shawwal, Dhul Qa'dah and Dhul Hijjah. These are the months in Islam. These are the months in Islam. Wassalam.